Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Clarity. My name is Sahil and this is a channel where we talk all about blockchain and cryptocurrency. So today's video is a special one where I will be talking about NFTs and what are blue chip NFTs and where you can find them. So this is something that I've been looking into from past few months because this is ever growing space and NFTs are still new in this space of cryptocurrencies and blockchain, but they are still some projects that are called blue chip because they have got the backing and they got the community behind them. So this is the video about that. If you want to learn more about NFTs and metaverse as well, I have more playlist about it. You can like and subscribe. Obviously you will get more videos every week so you can learn about NFTs and web3 space. So let's get right into it. So to understand what blue chip NFTs are, you have to first understand what blue chip means. So blue chip comes from the traditional stock market, which is a term that is used for companies that have been there and they have seen downturn, but also weathered that storm and obviously have seen the value stored in them for a long time. So according to this article in Investopedia, you can see that a blue chip is a nationally recognized, well-established, financially sound company. So blue chip generally sells high quality, widely accepted products and services. Blue chip companies are known to weather downturns and operate profitably in the face of adverse economic conditions, which helps to contribute to their long record of stable and reliable growth. So what does this mean? If you want an example for this would be traditional companies which have been into the space and have seen growth over the long term of period, like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Apple. All of these companies have provided these high quality products and services to people around the world. So they have their stock value has also seen that, and they have always seen better returns for people who have invested in them. But in the terms of NFTs, this come to a different standard because NFTs are a newer market. So we would describe that a bit differently in NFT market because obviously NFTs have been um, released in past couple of years and we can see the value growing in the last few months only, and there is not much of historical data to see from that, but there are different metrics that we can look into, which I will tell you next. So since NFTs haven't been here for so long, there are few ways that we can find out if the chances are there for any NFT project to be a blue chip. There can be different kind of factors like the community, how old the project is, and different utilities that are provided by these projects. So some things like the utility which is behind the scene access, early access to different kind of launches, that kind of stuff is something that is related to how their project will do, and obviously their value will be more because of that. So since you uh, are in this space, you might have heard about Bored Ape Yacht Club. They are mostly traded, and look at the volume there. You can see the number of owners, and you can see that how their project is giving value to their community. That is another thing that you need to look out for if you want to see it as a blue chip um, NFT. So you can see there they are providing different accesses like members only benefits. They have a bathroom which is like an access where everyone in the community can talk, and they gave different features like a airdrop for their holders, which was giving them ape coin, and that was millions of dollars given to these people who are a part of this community. So that makes this project a blue chip because it is creating a brand around itself, and they have seen so many big names coming into this. That is why they are blue chip. And another way to find out about blue chip products is you can find it on platforms like artcentral.io, that is giving you a data analytics tool for NFT collectors, and you can see real time insights and see their opportunities. You can sign up here, and you can see what the value of these projects have been. So this is also going to give you a portfolio manager, so that is something that you can use to create a portfolio and also add your NFTs into this. So tools like these are really helpful for people who are into this space. If you go to the collectible section here, this can be seen from up here, and this will give you a lot of projects which are real high value. Can load it again. And these projects have been there for a while. So Cool Cats, Doodles, World of Women, they have big communities. That's the point about these, that they are being called blue chips right now. They haven't been here for so long. Like most of them have been here for a couple of years. We Friends even launched last year, and they're growing in the community so quickly. They have different Discord spaces, like those where people can join each other and collaborate. So this gives people a community, and that's why NFTs are giving so much value to their community. And these projects are really blue chip style projects. So you can see that from OpenSea as well, the top 10 for the trading. If you can see that there are different projects like Art Blocks, Doodles, CryptoPunks, Cool Cats, Meebits, Adidas into Metaverse. So these kind of projects which have a branded value around them as well, and you can see them doing different things with their NFT, not just giving you art. They will have the chance of being a blue chip stock. So if you find that out, you can also buy them fractionally, like in fractional.io, fractional.art. You can go there and buy these because they are so expensive. So not everyone can buy full of them. So you can buy them in fractions. That is a great way to get involved in this. So you can see that they have different fractionalized CryptoPunks, Cheetah Gang, Bored Ape, another CryptoPunks, Ether Rock, that was one of the oldest. There are some memes. So that kind of stuff can be used to get exposure to these. Obviously, this is not financial advice, but if you want to get some exposure to the blue chip stocks or blue chip NFTs, this will be really useful for you, because that's how you're gonna have a way to know that these communities are doing something. You can join their Discord, and you can see what value they are providing to their community. So I think that is the best way to find out about how blue chip stock is, or a blue chip NFT is going to come out in the future. So you can find those factors and metrics, so that is easier for you to know. But obviously this is such a new space, there's no guarantee about it. You need to have something that you like as well, and that has some value to you. So join those communities, buy those, or just test those out. That's the best way to know about it, because it's such a new space, and in the end you are just learning about it, and everyone is learning about it. That's the best way to learn, just getting involved. So you can do that, and obviously you can learn more every day, every week, because I launch a video on this channel every week, which is giving you a tutorial, anything about Web3, Metaverse, or NFTs. So you can see those videos linked in my channel. You can subscribe to the channel if you like. I would be happy to help you with any way. So contact me on Instagram, TikTok, or any other channels which I post on every day. So thanks for watching this. If you like this, make sure you like the video so that people know this is the blue chip NFTs. Thank you.